So you've got the floor here that's 30mm thick, and it's got a 6mm piece of 6mm marine ply on there, 25mm worth of polystyrene, and 4mm worth of ply. That's what it came with. And then what I've done is I've put this 6mm piece of marine ply on top, and I've contact adhesived it into place. So I stripped the bottom of the caravan back to bare wood, and then I've used the contact adhesive to stick this into place and then trim it all the way round. The reason it's got this channel in here is this is where it's going to have a tongue and groove, tongue going into there and another one into this side here to join it over just in front of the wheel arch, and that will put it into place. The marine ply has been covered in a Osmo oil for exterior woodwork, and that will then give you a really good hard coating on it. It's got 2 coats on it, and it is breathable, so it's a little bit like a Gore-Tex coat put underneath it. It's not going to have sitting water on it because obviously it's face down, so any water it'll get onto it is just splashing from the road, and obviously that will just dry as soon as you get it onto the campsite or back into your storage, and that's it all ready to go. Any little gaps that are around the edge, I'll just put a bit of sticker flex silicone in it, ready to go, and it's ready then to go into the caravan. So it's all ready, all cleaned up, all painted, all set to go, and be fixed into place now. So there we go. I've just got to take out this bottom step because now I've taken it up, I just need a little bit more space just underneath here just to get it up, so that's just going to come up just slightly and put that into place there. So that should all be okay, not a problem at all.